second year, third semester. We are going to deal with the below topics today. Internet applications, Unit 2 Internet applications. The topics are Internet, web browsers, Internet Explorer, using Internet Explorer, standard Internet Explorer buttons, entering a website address, searching the Internet. What is Internet? Internet is the system which connects computer networks. Internet links millions of computers all over the world. It allows your computer to get information stored on other computers far away. So, nowadays Internet has been playing a vital role in betterment of all our lives. If we want to improve our skills, if we want to grow in our life, the technology advancements, the sophisticated technology that has been developed, and it has been helping us all the way so that we can improve our way of life. So, for that reason Internet is helpful. It is playing a vital role in betterment of our lifestyles. Once upon a time, there we did not have any proper facilities of connecting or communicating with people, but over a period of time Internet has been playing a vital role in betterment of our life, and the sophisticated technology that has been helping all the crowd, all the people throughout the globe. The largest network of networks in the world uses TCP or IP protocols and packet switching, runs on any communications substrate. How did Internet develop? Yeah, there has been a history for this Internet development. Internet was born in late 1960s. The Internet has its root in the ARPANET system of the Advanced Research Project Agency of US Department of Defense, which linked together mainframe computers to form a communication networks. Internet is nothing but a communication network which bridges the gap between the customer and the provider, internet service provider, so that we can get the information on our fingertips within short span of time. So, ARPANET is known as the forefather of Internet. So, ARPANET is known as the forefather of Internet. We are totally dependent on Internet. Without Internet, we cannot expect anything. There are many facilities from that Internet that we are getting nowadays. The Internet growth trends. 1977, there were 100 hosts on Internet. So, it has been growing rapidly from the time of inception, from the time of starting. 1981, the hosts were 213. 1983, the hosts were 562. 1984, the host number, it has become double the number than the previous year, that is 1000 hosts. See, like this it has been helping the people, helping the crowd, so that they are in a position to do well. It was in 1986, 5000 hosts were there, and in 1987 it has touched double the figure, that is 10,000. In 1989 it reached 1 lakh, and in 1992 it reached 10 lakh. So, it has been rapidly getting the more hosts, and by the year 2001 it touched 150 to 175 million hosts. By 2002, over 200 million hosts it has got. By 2016, about 90% of the planet will be on the Internet. See, this is how the data, the statistics that has been showing that there is a lot of growth in the hosts and many people are getting benefited because of this internet. Now, these are the following ways by which we can get to the internet connection, internet access. The first one is from the source that we are getting to a router. From there we have got a LAN connection. There multiple computers can be connected, the router, main router and the subrouter, after that LAN, and we are getting connected to 3 different computers. Then the source, the internet that is coming, router to subrouter, from there we are getting to modem, and after that we are getting that connected to computer. The third source also is there, and we have got multiple applications like this. When we are getting internet connected, many people are getting benefited by sitting at their home, wherever they are on this planet Earth, wherever they are. If they have got a computer, if they have got a mobile phone also, we are able to use internet. It was a tremendous development that has been taking in the history of the world, that people are growing multiples, and we should really appreciate the efforts that have been kept by people around the world. So, how the internet works? Transport Control Protocol, a protocol that operates at the transport layer and is used in combination with IP by most internet applications. Backbone, an internet high speed long distance communications links like a bus. It is a connectivity mode wire that connects nodes. Uniform resource locator, that is called URL, an assigned address on the internet for each computer, that is example http www.yorku.kca. Understanding web browsers. The World Wide Web, that we call it as internet, it is www, is a part of the internet containing linked web pages. So, if we really want to go for usage of internet, that is www/, after that we continue with our search. A web browser is a software program used to access and display web pages. Internet Explorer is a popular web browser. Understanding web browsers. A search engine is a special website that helps find other websites. A search engine is a special website that helps find other websites, means a search engine will be helpful to the crowd to search for the web page, and it works with a very faster speed. A website is a group of web pages. We see that a website on internet, and it is nothing but a group of web pages. There are lot many pages that are available on website. Web pages contain highlighted text or graphics called hyperlinks or links. So, we are going to definitely find that hyperlinks or links on the web pages, that is highlighted text or graphics. Hyperlinks open other web pages. For example, www.questspecialtravel.com. Understanding web browsers. Using Internet Explorer, you can display website. By using Internet Explorer, we can see that website. Not only that, play audio and video clips. We can definitely see that audio, the video clips also and audio clips also, it is a possibility that we can watch. Search the web for information and save a list of favorite web pages. So, these are the using Internet Explorer, you can do all these activities. By using Internet Explorer, we can save web pages, we can share the web pages, we can email the web pages, or we can take a printout of web pages, text and graphics. So, there are different kinds of web browsers available in the market, available on the internet. So, namely Google Chrome, which was started in 2008. Opera is another web browser we are dependent on, and Microsoft Internet Explorer, which came into existence in the year 1995. Mozilla Firefox is another web browser which we are using, and Apple Safari, which came into existence in the year 2003. The last one, but not the least, Netscape Navigator. This is there in the market since 1994. So, these are the web browsers by which we can get the data anywhere from this planet Earth. Wherever we sit, we can get the data by browsing these web browsers. It is very convenient for all the users who are using these web browsers on the mobiles, laptops and personal computers. Wherever they are, if they get into connected with a internet connection, they are able to browse all this information, different kinds of information they are able to get. So, Google Chrome, this is one of the web browsers which has been technologically developed a lot, and it was developed by Google Inc. Google company developed this web browser, and many of the people are using throughout the world. Initial release, it was in September 2, 2008, which came into existence into the usage in the month of September. Written to assembly, which is the programming language is C, C++, Java, JavaScript and Python. Operating system, it works on the operating system Android, iOS, Linux, OS X, Windows. Engines Blink, WebKit on iOS V8. Platform x86, x64, 32-bit ARM, available in 53 languages. License is freeware under Google Chrome terms of service. We are going to discuss, we are going to learn about Mozilla Firefox. Mozilla Firefox is another web browser developed by Mozilla Foundation and contributors Mozilla Corporation. Initial release September 23rd, 2002. Written in C++, JavaScript, C, cascading, style sheets, XUL, XBL. Mozilla Firefox works on the operating system Windows, operating system X, Linux, Android, Firefox operating system, FreeBSD, NetBSD, OpenBSD, Open Indiana. Engines Gecko, Spider Monkey, available in 79 languages. License MPL. We have got one more browser, that is Internet Explorer. Original author Thomas Redson, developed by Microsoft company. Initial release was in the month of August, that is 16th August 1995. Written in C++. Engines Trident, Chakra, available in 95 languages. License proprietary, requires a Windows license. Apple Safari, there is another web browser, Apple Safari, which was developed by Apple Inc. Initial release January 7, 2003. Written in C++, Objective C operating system, OS X, iOS. Engine WebKit Nitro. License freeware, some components GNI, LG, PL. Opera software, this is one more web browser which was developed by Opera Software company. Initial release was in 1995. Written in C++, operating system Windows, OS X, Linux, FreeBSD, iOS, Android, BlackBerry, engine Blink V8, available in 42 languages, licensed proprietary freeware with open source component. Netscape Navigator, this is not the least, but developed by Netscape Communications Corporation. Initial release was in 15th December 1994, cross platform. Popularity. So, there is a different popularity for different web browsers. Google Chrome, Opera, Mozilla Firefox, the Internet Explorer and the Apple company Safari. So, these are the web browsers. These are the web browsers which have been developed by different companies, but when you look into their particular rating, their particular convincing or their publicity, we can see that Internet Explorer, which has been at a very low usability for the clients, and it has been measurable, it has been showing. And next, Safari. Safari is the other one web browser where we are using, and only Apple phones, Apple gadgets only are allowed to use that particular Safari web browser. Mozilla Firefox is the other one which many people have been using. And after that, Opera is one of the web browsers that people are using. And Google Chrome, this is where exactly many people are using, and it has been getting a very good response from the users. What is Internet Explorer? What does it do? Internet Explorer is one of the most widely used web browser. It attained a peak of 95% usage data during 2002 and 3. Its usage share has declined with the launch of Firefox 2004 and Google Chrome 2008. Its first version was Internet Explorer 1 and the latest version is Internet Explorer 11. About Internet Explorer, the author Thomas Redson, developer Microsoft, initial released, it was 16th August 1995, written in C++ language, operating system Windows, Mac OS X, HP UX, languages available in 95 languages. History, the project of Internet Explorer started in 1994. First version was released in 1995. Internet Explorer team began with 6 people only. Next version 1.5 released after 7 months. Internet Explorer is the most popular web browser of present time. So, Internet Explorer is considered as the most used web browser which has been used by majority of the people in the society throughout the globe, that has been top. Since it is included to Microsoft Windows operating system that is used by all home computer users, its versions were Internet Explorer has different versions, that is number 1, it was in August 1995. Internet Explorer version 2, it was in November 1995. Internet Explorer, that is version 3, August 1996. Internet Explorer version 4, September 1997. Internet Explorer 5, it was March 1999. Internet Explorer 6, August 2001. Internet Explorer 7, October 2006. And the last one, Internet Explorer 8, March 2009. So, Internet Explorer has got many versions even then. If you go for internet searching, so these are the bars which we need to go about. The first one, this we call it as standard toolbar, this okay, front and back, forward and backward, okay, previous and next, that we can go about. Menu bar, we can have different options here. The menu, this is called menu bar, and title bar, this is which is okay displaying, this is title bar, and access address bar, this is the address bar. Whenever we wanted to search something through Internet Explorer, we wanted to go through one particular explorer, here we can okay type the address, so that we can get into the particular website, whatever the information that we go about. This is links bar, this is activity indicator. Down comes status bar, this is a status bar which shows the status of the computer, and main window, this total portion, that is called a main window, and this is a security zone, that it will be personalized and the security okay point of view, it will be useful for us. That is Internet Explorer 2. Let us see title bar. Title bar displays name of current web page or file. The title bar which were okay we were able to see, this is a title bar, here we can get the name of that particular okay search item that we are going to. The title bar which shows the name of that particular okay search. Menu bar contains set of menus, some of which contains the same items that appear on the other windows. As we see, this is menu bar. So, these are the menu items: file, edit, view, right. These are the help. This is called a menu bar. Menu bar contains of menus, some of which contains the same items that appears on the other windows programs. Standard toolbar. As we see, this is a standard toolbar. This is called a standard toolbar, where we can go for previous page or next page. Contains several buttons which are most used in the menu bar. It also have navigation back, forward and home buttons. Address bar. This is the address bar. Whatever the search item that we wanted to search, where we can type here on the address bar, it will be displayed within fraction of seconds, the information that we are searching for. Right. Link bar, contents of shortlisted and selected hyperlinks. As I was showing the link bar, this is a link bar which shows us the selected hyperlinks. Activity indicator, Microsoft logo being animated when data sent and received shows the web activity. Main window, display source web pages, documents, files which is accessed. Status bar, status bar displays the information of current state of page, description, URL of page on the Internet Explorer. Security zone displays which security is currently active. Standard and address bar. Let us see one or two examples of this particular. The Internet Explorer, let us see once. Yeah, as we were discussing something about web browsers. So, I would like to show you one of the examples of this Internet Explorer or Google Chrome. let us try to understand the taskbar. Exploring the web browser. ఇంటర్నెట్ కావాలి, మళ్ళీ అది ఎక్కడుందో దొరుకుతుందా? మా వ్యక్తిని పిలవండి. Yeah, this is called Google Chrome. This is okay address bar. Whatever you wanted to type, let us say Andhra Pradesh tourism spots. Let us say we will get the Andhra Pradesh tourism spots here. This is where exactly okay all the things will be displayed here. These are the maps that we can go about searching with this. It will display the map. It will be able to guide you the exact location okay, on our internet connection. If you have got mobile phone or laptop or mobile phone and laptop, we can get to know where exactly we wanted to go. So, this is about maps and all the things. So, these are nothing but the different search items that we can go about searching for them. And if we want to see the maps here, this is the okay button where we can go about clicking and we can see the maps. Next one, we can go for the images, different tourist places that are available in and around Andhra Pradesh that are displayed. So, this is okay, these are the different tourist spots that we can view by sitting at our place and by clicking. So, these are the different tourist okay, places in okay, Andhra Pradesh state. And when you click this news button, what are the latest information that is available in and around the state. So, which will be throughout the globe also will be getting the particular okay, news here. It is news bar. And videos, the videos, different videos are available on the tourist places in Andhra Pradesh, and if you click that button, video button, we will be able to see the total video of whatever the duration of the video that we are going to view that video. And different places will be getting an idea by sitting at our place, and we can plan our okay, tour programs by clicking. The distance is nothing but just a finger touch, and the technology that is available at every hand, that is it may be a laptop or a mobile. From there also we can view so many things, we can see the videos, we can okay, see that particular map, and we can plan whatever the tour program that is there, we can plan by sitting at our home itself. Now, let me see, let me try, let me show you one more this thing. Let us say okay, quotations. If you type, we will get different kinds of quotations on life, right. So, like this we can search. This is a Chrome application where we can search whatever the information that you wanted to have in your life, and we can better our life. This is all. It will show the mixed ones. The second one is, as I showed you, maps, the videos, the images, the photographs, right. This is called a button. These things are called a button. If you click here, a new thing will appear. This is new button. This is called our address bar or searching area. This is a searching area. This is a closing button, okay, maximize, minimize. So, this is address bar, and this is a Google okay, search place. We are here, if you type any word, it will search throughout the globe, and it will give you the data essential for us. Whatever the data that we are typing, if you are typing the data of a state, if you are typing the data of a country, if you are typing data of a continent also, it will catch the search bar will catch according to the letters, and it will give you the data within fraction of seconds. So, whatever the videos that are available, government projects, what are the government projects that are taking place, whatever the data that you type, whatever the information that you want to go about, we can take from this particular search engine. This is Google, we call it as a search engine. There are various search engines. Google is one, Yahoo is another one, and Ask is another one. So, there are various search engines among which Google works very powerfully. Within fraction of seconds, we are going to get the data on Google search engine. So, Google search engine is used majority of the people throughout the globe, and they need not go anywhere to search for the information. From sitting their home, from their particular laptop, from their particular mobile itself, they can get a lot of data, lot of information, and educational videos, audios, news items, you name anything that we are going to get within fraction of seconds. The moment you type the keyword, it will search and redirect us to get into that particular information, and it will keep in front of you that information, so that you can access Google at any point of time, at any time, anywhere, where we can change the standards of our life. Once upon a time, technology, we used to depend only newspapers, magazines, and other forms. Now, within fraction of seconds, within a short period of time, that we are going to get a wonderful data from this Google search engine. So, many people are dependent on this, and we are getting lot of benefits: education, the quotations, quality of life, tourism, railways, flight tickets, bus tickets, whatever you want to go about, we can do, we can operate, and we can do many activities from this particular Google search engine. Let me type life changing videos. Yeah, when your life stuck in life, when you got stuck in life, there are certain things which will really inspire us, so that they can make a lot of difference in our life. So, many people are working throughout the globe, even the adverse conditions also, and Google, the search engines that are getting information throughout the globe, and people are making lot of differences in their lifestyles. So, Google is working as a global guru for majority of the people in the entire world. People are getting the benefit of this Google search engine, and we should be very much thankful to the particular persons, the people, the employees who have been rendering wonderful services for the betterment of human lifestyle. So, not only that, lifestyles, fashion, right, public, private, meetings, whatever the programs that are there, now we can upload through YouTube and we can watch them, so that brings lot many changes in the quality of lifestyles of many people, so that this search engine is helpful for everyone, and educationally also, educational videos, inspirational videos, motivational videos, there are many things that we can go about searching on this. And if you go for the news items that are like many news items that are available on this, and map, we need not ask anyone. If Google map is available, we can search for the place that wherever we wanted to go, and it will direct us, it will show us the direction in how we can go about moving towards different places on this planet Earth. So, GPS is a system which will be activated when you get into the internet connection, and when you switch on that particular map, you can see that, see Kakatiya Hills, it is showing, it will definitely guide you very perfectly, it has been developed by that company, and it is very convenient for us, that saves a lot of time and energy. So, we need not ask anyone. If we get connected with this particular Google map, we will be in a position to continue our life journey in a successful manner. So, this is how Google is helping, and the Chrome, which is helping the society at large, that we will be in a position to go about fulfilling our needs in a proper way. ఆపేయాలి ఎక్కడికి. స్టాప్ చేసేయండి. లేదు సార్ సోర్సు. సో గూగుల్ ఇంటర్నెట్ ఎక్స్ప్లోరర్, Google search engine. Google is a search engine by which we can get to know the latest data which is available throughout the globe. So, we are dependent on the particular technology which is available on internet. By our finger touch, we are in a position to go about, we are in a position to move ahead in our particular lifestyles, and the entire world is getting lot of facilities because of this technology, and we have been depending on the latest technology that has been helping the people throughout the globe. And Google Chrome is very much, it is serving the people around the globe, and it is very much appreciable for that particular service that they are rendering throughout the world. Yeah, popularity, if you see, Google Chrome stands in the number 1 position in serving the people, and many people are willing to use this Google Chrome. It is because of the reason that within fraction of seconds that we are going to get the data, within fraction of seconds we are going to data, that people are very, very happy. It is very convenient for the people to go about. So, now to conclude, we will discuss the next topics. We will conclude here the next topics in exploring the browser and elements of the Internet Explorer window. So, these are the topics that we are viewing and navigating web pages. We will discuss in the next session. Thank you.